Sexy little bitch put on her mink lash. I'm talking Gucci glass or Chanel team jacket. She gon' get it without accent. She on queen status.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the thumbnail and the title, today's video is going to be episode 1 of my 2021 Halloween series. Today, look, I'm going to be doing a nerdy schoolgirl, but I'm going to be spicing up with a little bit of fashion and sexiness, as you guys can see. If you guys are interested in how I achieve this look, putting everything together and, doing my own little thing, then stay tuned to this video. Before we get into this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications because there are plenty more uploads on the way. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'll be including the makeup, hair, and outfit portion of the video. First up, I'm going to be doing my makeup. I decided to do something pretty simple with a bold lip because I really wanted the red to pop out because of the red in the skirt you guys are going to see later on in the video. So basically, I'm right here. I didn't want to do like a real detailed makeup tutorial because I didn't want to focus too much on the makeup. But I just decided to add little clips of me doing my makeup right here. I'm just blending out my foundation and my concealer. And then here I'm just going to blend out my contour as well. And then I'm just going to powder and everything. So yeah, just enjoy me basically doing my little makeup or whatever. And then here, I basically just mixed two different matte lipsticks up together. I didn't want to do a bright red because I didn't want it to be too loud in my pictures. So I decided to do more like a muted burgundy. So I mixed a BH Cosmetics matte lipstick. I'm going to try to find it and leave that in the description box below. And I went on top of that with a NYX lipstick as well. Both formulas were matte. And then I was a little indecisive on how I wanted to do my hair, but I wanted to do something pretty simple. That way I could just take it down for, in order for me to do my next costume. So I just decided to do a genie ponytail. Those are always my go-to hairstyles for just like quick and on the go. So yeah, my braid really wasn't the exact color as my hair. As you guys can see, I did dye my hair. So I went to the beauty supply store. I literally just picked up some hair. So that was the closest I was going to get to my ponytail. It worked for the sake of this costume, for the picture. So that's really all that matters. For the sake of the costume anyways. So this is how it looks. I already did a tutorial last year on my channel back in December on how to do, or how I do my genie ponytails. So if you guys are interested in like a detailed tutorial, then make sure to go check that out. I'll leave down in the description box below so y'all can click on it and it'll take you straight to that video. So now, as you guys can see, makeup and hair portion is complete. Now I'm going to get straight into the fashion portion, which is the actual costume. So instead of doing the basics, finding a nerdy costume which comes with everything, I decided to piece things together that I already have and bought a couple of different things as well. So to start off, I got this skirt right here. This skirt I got from Shein last year. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, do y'all know I actually styled this skirt up early on this year in January. So this is the skirt. It has like a lot of different colors. You got the yellow checkered print, and then you have the red tartan print, and then the back is just this black and white grid print as well. And it's like a mini skater skirt. I got this in a size large. I'll leave that in the description box below if you guys are interested in this skirt. And up top right here, I actually didn't open it. I got this from Walmart in the men's section, and I got it in a size small. It's just a classic long sleeve dress shirt, and I need a dress shirt obviously because that's what schoolgirls wear. So let's see. This is perfect. Yep, this is going to be perfect. So this is how it looks. Long sleeve, but I think I'm gonna tie it up in the front, or I'm gonna probably tuck it in. I'm not sure yet, but long sleeve shirt, and this was only $11 at Walmart. Little accessories that I got to complete the look, because like I said, I'm doing more of like a sexier version. I got these suspenders right here. I got these from Walmart for $3.98, which is $4, and I ain't opened these up yet either. I've never worn suspenders a day in my life, but it's definitely necessary for this costume. Like, cross the back and then it goes straight for the front. We'll see when I get ready to put this stuff on. We'll see how it looks and how it works. I decided to get some white fishnet thigh-high tights because I feel like it's giving me more of that grown vibe. That's what I'm going for. So I found these at the beauty spot store for $2.99, and I wasn't able to get any nerdy like the regular black trim clear nerd sunglasses. So I just am going to be wearing these today. These are my glasses that I got from Shein. Y'all have saw these a lot of times on my channel. So I'm just going to wear these today. It's going to go cute and contrast with like the gold, like the yellow and the skirt. So it's pretty cool. I'm not really tripping. I just knew I needed some clear glasses. So luckily I had these still. And then for my shoes, I'm still a little indecisive on what shoes I want to wear. So I'm indecisive on these right here, which these, if y'all follow me on my Instagram once again, I bought these from Shein for my Bratz photo shoot that I did in this summer, over the summertime. So I think these would be perfect for what I'm going for with this costume, because as you guys can see, it's this chunky heel. Then I have my high top Converses as well, which is always like a go-to when you're doing like a schoolgirl vibe. So I don't know, I just feel like this will make it more casual, and I feel like this is going to give it the vibe that I'm really going for. So I think I'm going to go with these, but I'm not sure yet because my stockings are white, and I don't know exactly how these black shoes are going to look with those white stockings. So here I'm basically just going to make my own little bows to go on my stockings because I just feel like I needed something right there. So basically I'm just going to take 3 pieces of fabric. I'm using red satin material fabric, and then I'm just going to get a hot glue stick because for one, I don't know how to sew, and I just really don't need to do all of that. So basically what I'm doing right here is I am folding in the sides of the sides of the fabric, because you know, as you can see, you could tell that I cut it and then it was like strings all out and stuff like that. So I'm just folding it using the hot glue gun so that way it can look more cleaner. Yeah, I literally was just coming up with stuff as I go. Like, I never made a bow before, like, out of complete just straight fabric. So I don't know what I was doing, but I did it, and it looked good for what I was going for. So that's really all that matters. So that's basically all I'm doing there. As you guys can see, really, really easy. Like, the best thing to do if you don't know how to sew, or if you're just in a time frame where it's just like you don't have time to be trying to sew stuff, then I'm just going to get another piece of fabric, and I'm just going to cut it real small and long. And that's going to be the little folded thing in the middle that's going to make it a bow, if that makes sense. So as you guys can see right here, I'm basically just putting some glue on that so that it can adhere, what is it, adhere, or yeah, adhere to the fabric that I already folded. And then I didn't add meat on the other one, but basically I do the exact same thing to the other one. And I made 2 of them. That way I could stick it onto my stockings. And what I just did right here was add some glue to the back of the bow so that it can stick to my stockings. And it is a hot glue gun, so if you want to take it off, you probably have to rip it off, or maybe it won't come off. I'm not sure. But I probably won't be using these stockings anymore no time soon anyway, so I was pretty cool with doing that. But it is hot, and I did burn myself a little bit, but it was pretty cool. It went away after a couple of seconds. And then here I'm just adding on my suspenders. As you guys can see, the suspenders actually really make the look. Like, you cannot be a schoolgirl without suspenders. Like, you just can't. Without the suspenders and the glasses, you are not a schoolgirl, period. Okay, so this is the overall look, you guys. I don't have my shoes on yet, but I will include pictures off to the side and at the end of the video with the shoes included. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the black pumps that I showed y'all earlier on in the video. This came out so good. Like, what? I would say I spent about like $30 in all on this stuff and everything. So definitely very inexpensive costume. You guys don't have to spend much money at all to look good. Like, I look good. Okay, period. And then here go the glasses. Y'all know the glasses always sets off the tone when it comes to doing a schoolgirl vibe. So this is really cute, y'all. I wish I could really, like, y'all can see, but I'm about to get ready and show y'all the behind the scenes of how I'm taking my pictures so you guys will see the extra true detail of everything in the outfit. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if also I just gave you an idea of what to do for Halloween, make sure you leave a like on this video. If you guys liked this outfit, then make sure to leave that down in the comment box below. Stay tuned for the rest of my videos because I do have more coming up on this series. So with that being said, make sure to turn on your post notifications and stay tuned for the behind the scenes of the pictures. And in the end, here are some extra Instagram and Snapchat videos that I decided to take. Y'all, I'm absolutely in love with this look. It was like a total, I probably spent about $30 in all on this whole entire outfit. So I definitely enjoyed doing this, added my own little spice to it. That's what makes it a lot more special and unique to me. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if y'all liked this video, and if I also gave y'all an idea to what to wear for Halloween, then make sure to leave a like on this video and also comment that down in the comment box below. Stay tuned for the rest of my videos and let me know which outfit is your favorite. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
And the difference is, my bitch bad.